guys! In this video, we're going to draw a salmon sushi roll from my coloring book called Cute and Adorable Coloring Book. First, I want to start drawing the top, so we are going to draw an arch here from left to right, but with the scallops. How many scallops do you want to draw? It's totally up to you. You can make a few big scallops or lots of small scallops. They're all going to be cute and adorable at the end. Now the top part is done, so let's draw the sides. We are going to draw the two vertical lines here on both sides, but with the scallops again. Now let's draw the horizontal line at the bottom to close off the sushi roll shape. Like before, we are drawing the scallops from one end to the other. Now, let's draw the cute cat ears at the top here. Cat ear shapes are usually triangle shapes, so I'm drawing an upside down V shape here, but with a slightly curvy line to look more natural. Now let's close up the ear by drawing a horizontal line at the bottom with the scallops like this. If there are gaps between the ear and the bottom scallops, then you can just simply extend the line at the bottom like this to fix it. Now let's draw the cute face here. As always, I start with the eyes first, so I'm going to draw two big oval shapes here for the eyes. Now let's draw the details in the eye. I like to make the eyes extra cute and adorable, so I'm going to draw this shiny and sparkly shape in the top right corner, and then draw a small circle on the left side. Then I'm drawing a big heart at the bottom to completely occupy the bottom section, and when I'm done, I'm coloring the rest of the area with black. Now let's repeat the same thing on the right side. Now let's draw the blushes on the cheeks, so draw a fat oval below the eye on each side. The face came out super cute and adorable, so let's move on and draw the toppings at the top. We are going to draw a big fat oval here like this, so start from the left, draw an arch like this. And we will draw the same curve at the bottom, but just upside down. Some of the areas are going to be blocked by the ears. Then we can just simply skip that area and continue to draw next to the ear and complete the oval shape. Now we are going to divide the oval into three sections for the toppings. So first, we are going to draw a horizontal line in the middle. And just like before, if the ear is blocking the way, then you can just skip drawing the part and continue the line next to the ear. And at the top, I'm going to draw a slightly diagonal line in the middle to divide the section into two. So I'm imagining that the top parts are the cream cheese, egg, or avocado, and the bottom part is the salmon. And you know salmon has a grain or the texture, so we are going to draw lots of diagonal lines at the bottom to make it look like a salmon. Now your sushi roll drawing is done, but if you want to, you can add the rice texture to make it look more cute and interesting. So all you need to do is drawing this number 3 in different directions all over your sushi roll. Sometimes you can even draw the alphabet U to give more variations. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see how I color this, I have the shorts video link in the description. And if you want to buy this coloring book, it's in my Amazon shop and the link is also in the description. See you in the next video. Bye!